everybody. Well, I was trying to get out of the house early today. I didn't work yesterday, unfortunately, because I was having a flare up. So, anybody that knows me knows that I have a autoimmune disorder, but we don't let that hold us back. So, but I wanted to go over the questions and I figured this would be the quickest way to get it out there. So I wanted to go over the questions that I have printed out so far. So right now I'm just gonna head to work, and let me go ahead and get the folder out while I'm stopped. And then I will try and check the comments before it starts. Now, I think what I'm gonna have to do is record it on my other phone as we're doing it, and then upload it onto YouTube. So that's probably gonna, because I mean, I'm not, a lot of y'all know I'm not that tech savvy and stuff with TikTok and then doing across the different platforms and all that. I'm not that savvy and not that knowledgeable on all that good stuff. So I'm trying to get the comments real quick so I can see if anybody's saying anything. I don't know. Alright, but I can't tell the comments right now, so I don't even know. But alright, so I got my questions, got them in a folder, printed out. Thank you to my boss at work for doing that for me, printing it out. And I'll be stopped in just a second, and then I can kind of go over some of the questions with y'all. I know one of them is Dairy Queen's got a new the cotton candy's back at Dairy Queen, and they got a new confetti cake thing. So I'm there, or not there, but that's what I got. Honestly, oh, got to put up my little card, my little picture today. I put that in the window every day now. Oh, that was another. I'm glad you said something, Marcy. Hey, Justice. Yeah, it actually, everything didn't get confirmed until last night, so that's why it's so last minute. I mean, I had a little bit of a heads up, but I mean, I hadn't talked to her since we really conversated that one time in TikTok, and you know, which I understand, she's busy, I'm busy, you know, like we can't be on there all the time. So it was kind of like last minute last night, and she agreed to 7:30 her time, which will be 6:30 my time. So but if anything comes up to where I'm not able to do it or something, I don't know, because like I said, I'm going to work, but I'm gonna see who's closing tonight. I should be okay, but just in case, like I said, I called out yesterday because I've been having a flare up the last couple of days, but today's much better though. All right, here's a question. How many times did she file for separation or divorce? Explain the difference between separation and divorce. These were questions that I got from y'all in the comments section. Hold on, I'll be stopping just a second now. I'm just right up the road. But yeah, and I'm sorry, I've been working on so many different things, and especially with the stuff with Chris Skinner, and then just trying to keep up with work, and they got my hours kind of different now. So instead of getting off at 10, which my body's used to that, and now I'm getting off at, like on the weekends, I'm getting off at like 11, 12 o'clock at night, and then I get home, and it takes a while for meds to kick in. You got to wind down, so I'm not getting to bed till like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning now. Was Mica asking for alimony or the house? I don't think she was. I think she just wanted to be done and over with it. But it's a very good question, and I will actually write that one down. I got my pen on me. All right, I'm about to pull in. I'll have 5 minutes. So if you catch this afterwards, and if there's something I missed in the questions, like I said, I got these questions from questions that I've had, a lot of us have all had, and ones that I got from the comment section of one of them. So it was real nice. I was able to kind of copy and paste and then do a little thing and then get it printed and stuff. So all right, I'm parking now, y'all. All right, so I did the 2 questions. Put the car in park. All right, I wanted to do this last night too, but like I said, I was really just not even feeling good, y'all. All right, let's see. Explain the, okay. This might fall in, and if this falls in with yours, RC, let me know. It says, explain the difference between separation and divorce. Separation, divorce. What is considered uncontested? I think the uncontested part would be for the, like, what is it, alimony or fine, or with the house and stuff. Does this mean that there wouldn't have been a discovery process of assets? And does the no fault mean no integrities and depositions? If she filed as uncontested, could she still have changed to contested at any time afterwards? Let me see. Was Mica asking for, okay, I'm gonna put that one with that question because I think that one fits. Can you ask her? Justice, I kind of thought about that, but I really don't know if she'll have anything to say about that. I mean, I can ask. It don't hurt to ask. Let's see. Was Mica asking for alimony or the house? All right. Was Mica asking for, would it be like alimony and like assets? Would that be it? Can you ask her if Mica had any suspicions about Chris Skinner's accident? That's a good one. Oh, yeah, and there was another good one too I thought about when I was getting ready. Was Mica asking for what was it? For alimony or assets? Would that be good, RC? Alimony or assets? Alright. I probably spelled it wrong, but I don't know what it says. Alright, if John Paul Miller had legal authority to decide to cremate, which this is something I found some interesting information about, y'all, that I'm going to work on a video for. But authority to decide cremate, why did the family also have to sign? I found out why. Said he told them they couldn't see her unless they signed the cremation papers too. Alright, which, like I said, I found out some good information about that, and it's probably going to blow your mind. And also, oh, I came across something too where Regina was talking about, now this is in the beginning, before the global settlement and everything, but Regina's saying that, hey Nick, that's my hubby, y'all. But Regina had claimed that she believed that Mica did do it to herself. So I need to write that one down too. And it says, in one of the recorded phone calls mentions that he was trying to get her to sign a post-nuptial in a disagreeing tone. Does Regina Ward believe that she signed that paper, and or does she believe that paper could have been misrepresented as something else and she signed? And then let's see, ask her why the family settled without the ability to sue wrongful death. That's a very good one, especially with, let me add it to that one. And do you still believe that Mica did it to herself? All right, let's see. Let's see. Ask her. Okay. I'm trying to like go over the. All right. Here was a. Would you consider to start collaborating with other lawyers to? scared me.
What are you doing?
Trying to go over some of these questions real quick. How about she,
hair?
are you about to leave?
No, I'm coming in.
Oh, good.
The hair?
Huh? Yes, I love it, girl. That looks so pretty. I was just thinking about that today.
I'll show you the before and after.
That is so pretty.
Me $165 to bleach it, color it, style it, and
that looks good. I like that cut.
it.
I like that cut. That looks real good.
Totally different, ain't it?
Yeah, girl, you look younger. Okay, okay, mama. All right. Let's see. All right, I'm 1 minute late. All right, one of the questions was about her asking, or not her, but the person asking if she would be willing to collaborate with other attorneys and other people in law enforcement or judges to see about pretty much getting rid of the corruption. Did she have a copy of the thumb drive that Mica supposedly had in her bag? Great question. Let me write that one down. Did you have a copy of the thumb? All right, good. That's good news, y'all. We got Heather here tonight, so of the thumb drive, that's one of my bosses. Thumb drive that Mica had in her bag. Okay, great question. Thank you. All right, let's see. Okay, and then about that prenup paper have been misrepresented as something else she signed. And then there were some questions about Mica's law and ask her why the family settled without. Okay, we went over that one. Would you consider to start collaborating? We did that one. Okay, and then obviously my one question that we've been trying to get answered. Mica went to 3 other attorneys. They denied her after finding out who she was going against. What made you decide to take Mica's case, and did she ever tell you about her struggles of getting an attorney to help? Why was it so hard for her to find one? And then, oh yeah, and then our favorite one, y'all. That's one of our favorites. And then our other one is, you said in the Fitz News interview that you personally served JP papers on the day of Mica's passing, then later retracted that statement. But also in that statement, you claimed JP said to you, and I quote, that he made, and I mean these are exact words that I got, that he made a comment to me specifically that, gosh, something must be really wrong because Regina Ward has been hired on the case, and we know nobody gets Regina Ward unless it's a big case. And then you stated to JP, I was like, okay, well, we're not making a big deal out of it. We're just pursuing a separation. So did you actually have contact with him on that day? If not, when exactly was that conversation? And can she tell us somewhat was on the thumb drive? Okay. All right. And what kind of info was on it? All right, let me make sure that's how many times did she fall? Okay, I think this was the last page. All right, let me get on in here, y'all. Like I said, if y'all think of anything else, I will either have Hubby screenshot them and send them to me, or I'll look and screenshot, but I don't know how that works with TikTok and everything, if I can go back and forth on my pictures and stuff. And let's see, what did Mica hire? Yes, what did Mica hire her for exactly? Yes. What exactly were you hired for? That's perfect. Yeah, because that goes in with our other line of questions and stuff. All right, and if I missed any of your comments, I'm so sorry, y'all. Like I said, I will come back, or if I didn't see it in here, then just put it down in the comments below. after this video's ended. Hi, Beach Bell. And all right, well, I got to go. I'm 5 minutes late, but I am on time, but I'm not clocked in. So, all right. Love y'all. If today's your birthday, happy birthday. And yeah, just let me know if I missed any of the questions. Like I said, I got more. I just don't have time to really go through them all, but I did go through more of the ones that we've discussed before. So I hope y'all have a wonderful night. And if you're on TikTok, join us. And if you're not on TikTok, then I'm gonna get it over here on YouTube one way or another. So but I will talk to y'all later, and I love y'all. And if today's your birthday again, happy birthday. Hey, hey, hey. Bye.